For the last few years, I have been traveling around Europe with this car, for which I had created a system that allowed me to fit a bed for 2 people inside. This system was getting too small for us, so I sold the car and I bought a small van. I decided to buy the NV200 from Nissan, since its dimensions would allow me to use it both as a camper and as an everyday life vehicle. Inside, I could put drawers, a battery system, an interior table, cabinets, clean and grey water tanks, a sink that can be converted into an outdoor shower, a chemical toilet, and a sofa that can be converted into a double bed. All this while preserving the capacity to carry from 2 to 5 people. If you want to know how I did all this, join me in this series of episodes where I will detail the entire process. The first thing I did was cut some metal bars to the right size for the width of the van. I then used 2 of the metal L's used to attach the curtain bars to the walls and modified them to use them on the grips where the original van roof was attached. These grips in which the original roof was attached already have a hole in each one, through which we will pass a screw to join the pieces together. To finish assembling the anchoring system, all that remains is to place the metal bar in its place. To make it easier, I bought some curtains in a department store with a design that I liked, and I cut them to size. To prevent unravel, first we sew the edge of the curtains. And after bending the edge, we sew it again. Here you can see how the curtain is installed with the tall cabinet that I will do in the next episode. I also did the same process to install the front curtain, screwing it directly to the wooden ceiling that we did in the 8th chapter.